So how do you get yourself set up on Instagram? Well, it's pretty easy. Just go to Instagram.com and they're gonna ask you to set up a username, a password, ask you to put in your phone number. Now, it's very important that when you're setting up this username, you don't use something like Lisa is beautiful, right? Because they're not gonna find you. You wanna use your real name. You're in the business of real estate and people are gonna search for you on Instagram by your name. Okay, now if you have a brand, I understand that's a different story, but make sure that you're using a real name and you're using a real photo. I don't wanna see a picture of your dog. I don't wanna see a picture of your backyard. I wanna see you because that's what's gonna identify you and make me actually wanna follow you and connect with you. Okay, so in Instagram, we call them followers. These are people who are following your profile, following your life, following your business. So get yourself set up on Instagram, and that would be step one. Okay, now when you get set up on Instagram, you're gonna put in your photo, you're gonna put in your profile, which would be a description of your specialties, you know, what kind of business you're in, residential, rental, commercial, and you're gonna have a call to action, would be a link to your website or to a landing page. Maybe you don't have a website, point it to your Zillow profile, you know, point it somewhere where people can get more information about you. And that's how you set up your Instagram profile. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all this. So please comment below and let us know.